Hi Cricketers, thanks for watching another one of my videos. As always, please like and subscribe. Today we're going to be making these adorable succulent plants. I got them at Five Below for only $5. I use them to make teacher gifts. Step 1. Design your project in Cricut Design Space. Select text, then start typing your design. Mine is going to say, Miss Amanda, thank you for helping me grow. Go to Alignment and Center. Change your font. I use Tater Tot. I'll leave a link in the description. This is one of my favorite fonts. I use it for so many kid projects. Then make it bold. Step 2. Measure project and resize in Design Space. I resize my image to just under 7 by 1.5 inches. Step 3. Cut your vinyl. I'm using black Oracle 651 vinyl with a matte finish. Take your cut vinyl and place it in the upper left-hand corner of your mat. Then cut on your Cricut. Click Continue, then select your material. I'm using vinyl. Then press Start on your machine. Step 5. Weed your project. Weeding is a process where we take away all the unwanted vinyl until we're left with the design that we want to put on our project. Step 6. Clean your surface. I use isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, in a lint-free wipe. Step 7. Transfer design with transfer tape. The transfer tape that I use is super sticky, so I always stick it to my shirt before I place it down. This really helps make it less sticky, so I don't run into problems with the transfer. Carefully peel off your transfer tape. And then you're left with your finished project. Look how cute this is. This would look so good on any teacher's desk. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.